Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest to tell you in these tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case you have lost your Gmail ID. In case someone who has changed the password of your Gmail ID. In case someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID. In case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID. Now change the recovery email and password, and of course you can say that recovery number, everything has been the chance. Now you would like to recover your old one email ID that you have lost now finally, or in case you have lost your device due to that you are unable to access your Gmail ID and someone is using now, change the recovery and of course phone number or emails. Now you don't have access to do anything via alternative way. Of course we can recover it. So this idea has been recommended by my one viewer, yes, to recover quickly. So because there is issues of data protections because he has lost a device. So let's see, simply just we will have to go for next guys, and next we have two options. Either we can change the password, yes, we can enter the password, or we don't have a password. So we don't have a password, so just we will click on a forgot. Now see what will happen here. It is asking that we have a phone number, we don't have a phone number. We don't have a phone number, so here what we can here, just we will click here don't have. Now it's essential that we could not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. How to recover? Try answer each question songs, and of course your account managed with family link if you have the sent to. So see here it's essential that we will have to reply, we will have to provide the sufficient information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. How does? By third way. Third alternative way, we have options. Second is here, see here, if I try multiple times here, so then when another platform will be open here, see, and there we will have to give alternative emails, proof, document, and on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this account is or yours or not. Within the 48 hours it will take, so estimated time can be expected, so it will take now. Yes, it will make more delay, so let's quickly recover of it. So how you quickly recover it? This can be possible guys by alternative options. See how do you discover from this email. You will have to click on a Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, if you are not sure, then try to yes download Opera GX. Multiple idea has been recovered by that, as we have seen you guys here. So just I'm going to install it once again, and I would like to show you how quickly you can recover. So just we will cut it from here because it has started to install here. On the other hand, of course, we will come now Z product, and of course hold it. So if I continue hold, then what will happen guys here, just on a help icon we will have to approach, and I'm sorry guys, just we will come now especially notifications. In notification we will have to make it disable. We'll back one more time, and let me it's taken not guys, just we will have to once again we will come now the here, of course we will have to hold this, we will come the help icon. Notification already we have blocked in this ones. In the permission, of course we will have to come the tab on the location guide. In location, of course we will have to make it the precise location that will be disabled, and of course we will click here don't allow, and of course we will have to click. Now we will back here. Now here coming on the back, what we will do guys, we will come in a special, this is also product of Google, so hold it, and after holding of course we will click on a help icon and open of course once again we will come in a notification, and notification especially we will have to make it disable, and we will back and back to of course sorry, just a little bit mistake I happened. Once again we will have to hold it, is Chrome browser, hold that. Of course we will come to help icons, and in a help icon what we will have to do in the make it the special and use locations. Then of course we will go for in a locations to of course we will make it precise location, we will have to make it disable and click on it. Now see guys, once again I did little bits. Let me come here, and we will come on a here, hold it, this Chrome, and in a Chrome. See guys, mistakenly I don't know what's having here. Just let's click and of course in the location we are on here, precise location we will have to disable, so click on it, don't allow anyway. These locations would be off, and now it's essential that device may no longer function as intended. No problem at all. Of course, for timing I'm doing it, so just we have disabled. We will have to back one more time backs. We'll have to give the default browser. The default browser in the Chrome to, of course, Opera we will have to switch on, and now we will have to back. So once again, let me confirm so that on a G browser I have done everything correct or not. See, notification blocks, this permission, of course, we will have to make it disabled. So I was not done, so maybe actually there was no, it's already done, because allow and don't allow to just this one. Let's have, and thereupon once again we will do. So this permission is already, click on it, don't allow. Now here we will have to back. One more time we will have to. See guys, it has been, I don't know why it has been, it's not back. Now it's done guys. One more time, so let me back, and this permission of course, and this we had two blocks. Now we will cut it from here, and one of course. Now let's come on Opera browser. Just a little bit technical slow, this phone is working, that's why actually having the problem, but now see. Yes, we will go for continue, so let's type on continue, and open of here dark, I will not go with light, I will go, and here we will go for continue. And if I go for continue, then what will happen guys, see it's a change the defaults, let's escape, don't do anything. Now here in the here just we will have to write google co.in, so let's see, we will have to pick on this one google co.in. According to the country, of course, co-in, co-ni, co of course, then thanks to the according to your. Now here we have these big. I'm sorry, guys. Now here, see, we'll have to enter this array. Now, just we will have to go for next. Now here we don't have the password, so we will go for forward password. Similar strategy you will have to apply, and you can risk of the ID. Now here what we will have to do, just we will go for don't have the OTP or mobile number. So now it's essential that two options, answer as many questions, use a device of that. We have two options and the more tips to recover that, otherwise we did not recover any information. Don't click on a try, otherwise here again if you do multiple times, here also your account will be freeze for timing, because you're trying to recover the particular ID that don't belong to you. Yes, that's why via different browser you are trying to get it back, so then covers in that conditions. What we will do, yes, we will cut it from here. Let's have a third options. What is the third options? Just we will tap on here in a setting option, and in a setting we have a clue via that appropriate. Let's come in a now Google service. In all kind of the service you can have, especially in these options, yeah, Google service, this one, see, watch it, and this is a crucial step that we will have to execute guys. Just we will come in a help options, we have option here help, tap on it, and here we will have to go for consignments. Yes, we are unable to. So now we have appropriate options that you think someone else is using. So of course this array may be hacked, stolen, anything happens, of course, because you don't have the access OTP now, just a mobile number, or just of course the recovery or phone. So now we have a security account. Yes, step to the secure your account. If I click the here, then of course we will come review your account activities. Whatever we have done recently, just we will go for review your account activities. Now here we have a find out if your account has been hacked. On this we will have to click, that is essentials. Now that we have one recovery page, these tips to the can go, just hit this one. Now what will happen is Opera browser has been opened, and here once again we will have to type this particular ID. So see guys, this is the ID that especially of course we will have to actually, yeah, just let's click, and of course how easily see, actually you have to do nothing here guys, just to see. Let's next. Now see guys, here directly we have reached here on a succeed. Now what you say here, you have to do nothing. So just we have two options. There is a change the password, go for continue. Smartly you will have to handle that. Click on a change the password. Don't go for continue. Otherwise, if you go for don't continue, that one security will be opens that you will have to use it smartly here. It's verify you. This thing will happen, and then of course you will have to go for this OTP will be of course sent to that particular number, and thereupon of course that will be aware that you are trying to what you know that what you are trying to do. So that's why actually don't go for here the continue, just we will have to get it here. And if you go for continue, then of course without changing the password also you won't be able to add the recovery email and recovery phone number. So once again it will be a similar situation, and it's verify you will trap on that situation. So here just we will go for changes the password and see easily we will have options to generate new password. We can confirm the new password spontaneously. We will click on a change the password, and after changing directly you will have to go in the security center to iDevice, especially the management, especially Z device Gmail device management, and there you will have to add the recovery number and of course the recovery email, so that anytime such kind of incident won't be repeated. Of course, if it is happened, then of course you can fully recover. So this is a easy way. Right now, yes, while the recording, so we cannot generate here based on the password because it will be in the public domain, because it's in the recording live here. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, they have a query will do the comment box. And of course, if you are unable to do that, then leave your issues, especially below the comment box. We will rescue together and zip along. That's you have lost. Yes, someone has a hijacked, hacked. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.